Introducing the NETGEAR Business Essentials range of Wi-Fi devices, designed specifically for home workers and small businesses that need high-performance, problem-free Wi-Fi, all at a cost-effective and budget-friendly price point. Featuring the latest and fastest Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology with greater speeds and coverage. The Business Essentials line is perfect for businesses looking for a quick and easy single-unit Wi-Fi access point solution. Plus, each device is so easy to manage. No download app is needed, and no subscription service is required. Now you can quickly create your own Wi-Fi bubble at home or at work within minutes. Each device of the Business Essentials range brings its own individual benefits, such as desktop, wall mount or ceiling mount, separate and secure wireless sub-networks, and power over Ethernet. Affordable standalone wireless access points that deliver amazing performance. The NETGEAR Business Essentials range of Wi-Fi devices.